Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax in Houston. I'm aboard a 2019 previously enjoyed 42-foot Outrage by Boston Whaler. This one's set up for some serious fishing and partying. Notice we've got the tuna tubes on the back. Got a nice live well. This boat is equipped with the twin fridges, and underneath this seat it folds down. We have a really nice outdoor kitchen. You'll notice a dive door here on the side. Great for entering from the boat dock. Speaking of this seat here, this gives you that extra row of seating for your guest. And you've also got triple seats here at the helm. This boat's equipped with the joystick system. We've got triple Raymarine screens on the front, Seakeeper stabilizer. It's got a real nice air-conditioned cabin, air-conditioned cockpit. And moving forward, some of the great features about the 42 of these lounge areas in the front. We've got an electrically activated table that can go up and down to make it into a table or a sun lounger. Love this bench area here. And the front benches have a backrest. Windlass anchor system, just a wonderful boat for doing a little bit of everything. And this is a really serious offshore boat. It can really do some pounding in the waves. This one's equipped with an optional tower, as you can see. We've got a forward-looking infrared camera, remote control spotlight, radar, outriggers, everything you need on this boat. And we don't get these pre-owned very often, so you'll need to come check this one out. My name is Paul, and I'm here at MarineMax. I'll be glad to take care of you.